Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening to explore how cucumbers can boost soil health with the help of some amazing companion plants. Observe the unassuming cucumber seedling, a nascent life form with an inherent desire to thrive, to reach for the sun, and to yield its refreshing bounty. Yet, its success is not solely dependent on its own vigor. Like all living things, it is part of a larger community, a web of interactions that can either hinder or greatly enhance its prospects. We are about to witness how strategic partnerships, forged in the soil, can transform a simple garden plot into a thriving, self-sustaining haven. This exploration will take us deep into the principles of companion planting, a practice as old as agriculture itself, yet one that continues to reveal new wonders. We will uncover the secrets of how certain plants, when placed in proximity to our cucumbers, can act as guardians, providers, and even engineers of the subterranean world. Companion planting, in its essence, is an orchestration of life, a gardening technique where the careful selection and placement of different plant species in close proximity creates a harmonious and mutually beneficial environment. It is a practice rooted in the ancient understanding that nature thrives on diversity. Here in this cultivated space, we are attempting to replicate the intricate balances found in wild ecosystems. Imagine for a moment a bustling city where each inhabitant plays a specific role, contributing to the overall function and well-being of the community. So too, in the world of companion planting, each plant species brings its unique attributes to the garden. Some may exude chemicals from their roots or leaves that deter harmful pests, acting as natural guardians for their more vulnerable neighbors. Others might attract beneficial insects, tiny predators that keep pest populations in check. The benefits extend far beneath the surface, into the very soil itself. Certain plants, as we shall see, have the remarkable ability to improve soil structure, their roots delving deep, aerating the earth, and creating pathways for water and nutrients to penetrate more effectively. This underground architecture is vital, for it allows the roots of neighboring plants, such as our cucumbers, to explore a greater volume of soil, accessing the sustenance they require for robust growth and bountiful yields. Furthermore, companion planting can play a crucial role in nutrient cycling. Some plants are adept at drawing specific nutrients from deeper soil layers, making them available to shallower-rooted companions as their leaves decompose. Others, like legumes, engage in a remarkable symbiotic relationship with soil bacteria, fixing atmospheric nitrogen, an essential element for plant growth, and enriching the soil for themselves and for those plants growing nearby. Consider also the aspect of spatial optimization. By intercropping plants with different growth habits, tall plants with low-growing ones, or deep-rooted species with shallow-rooted ones, we can make the most efficient use of available sunlight, water, and space. The selection of appropriate companions is, of course, paramount. Now, let us turn our attention to a particularly vibrant and steadfast ally of the cucumber, the marigold. With its cheerful sun-like blooms, the marigold is more than just a pretty face in the garden. It is a formidable guardian, a silent protector whose very presence can deter some of the cucumber's most insidious subterranean foes. The primary nemesis that marigolds combat are nematodes, microscopic roundworms that live in the soil. While some nematodes are beneficial, certain species, particularly root knot nematodes, can wreak havoc on cucumber plants. These tiny creatures invade the roots, causing galls or knots to form, which impair the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. But here, the marigold, specifically certain varieties like French marigolds, Tagetes patula, enters the fray. These remarkable plants produce biochemical compounds, primarily alpha-terphenol, in their roots. This substance is highly toxic to harmful nematodes. When nematodes attempt to feed on marigold roots, or even come into close proximity with them in the soil, they are effectively repelled or killed. The effect is not instantaneous, it is a process. Planting marigolds in an area for a season can significantly reduce the population of detrimental nematodes in the soil, creating a healthier environment for subsequent crops, including our cucumbers. Beyond nematodes, marigolds are also reputed to deter other pests. The strong, pungent aroma of their foliage is thought to be offensive to a variety of flying insects, including whiteflies and certain beetles that might otherwise trouble cucumber plants. The vibrant colors of marigold flowers also serve another purpose. They attract beneficial insects. Pollinators like bees and hoverflies are drawn to their bright blooms, which can indirectly benefit cucumbers if they require pollination. The cultivation of marigolds alongside cucumbers is a simple yet profound act of ecological stewardship. Let us now delve beneath the surface into the realm where roots intertwine and the very structure of the earth dictates the prosperity of our cucumbers. Here we encounter another unassuming yet remarkably effective companion, the radish. This swift-growing root vegetable, often enjoyed for its peppery crunch, plays a vital, if often overlooked role as a subterranean architect, improving the soil in ways that directly benefit the more deeply rooting cucumber. Radishes, particularly the daikon types or other larger fast-growing varieties, are renowned for their ability to break up compacted soil. Their roots, though harvested relatively quickly, penetrate the earth with surprising vigor. As they grow, they create channels and fissures, loosening dense soil and improving its friability. This action is akin to natural tillage, a gentle aeration that enhances the soil structure without the disruption of mechanical cultivation. For cucumber plants, which develop an extensive root system to support their vigorous growth and fruit production, this improved soil structure is a significant boon. Looser soil allows cucumber roots to spread more easily, to delve deeper in search of water and essential nutrients. The channels left behind by radish roots, even after the radishes themselves have been harvested, serve as pathways for water infiltration and air circulation. Good aeration is crucial for healthy root function. Plant roots, like other living tissues, require oxygen for respiration. Moreover, as radish roots decompose, either after harvest or if some are left in the ground as a green manure, they add organic matter to the soil. This decomposition process further enhances soil structure, improves water retention in sandy soils, and aids drainage in heavy clay soils. Another advantage of planting radishes with cucumbers is their role as a trap crop for certain pests. For instance, flea beetles, which can damage young cucumber seedlings by chewing small holes in their leaves, are often more attracted to radish leaves. The rapid growth cycle of radishes is also a key feature of their utility as companion plants. The presence of radishes can also help to mark rows where slower germinating cucumber seeds have been sown. Our journey into the world of cucumber companions now leads us to beans, remarkable plants with an almost magical ability. Beans capture nitrogen from the air and enrich the soil, benefiting nearby plants like cucumbers. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, and beans are generous providers. This nutrient is key for photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy. Without enough nitrogen, cucumbers show stunted growth and yellowing leaves. Beans replenish soil nitrogen, reducing the need for external inputs. Whether bush or pole, beans perform an extraordinary feat. They form nodules with rhizobia bacteria, fixing atmospheric nitrogen. This symbiosis enriches the soil, benefiting companion plants like cucumbers. The presence of beans can lead to healthier, more vigorous cucumber plants. Our final exploration into the world of cucumber companions brings us to an herb renowned for its feathery foliage and distinctive aroma, dill. Dill, or Anethum graveolens, attracts beneficial insects that protect cucumbers from pests. Its tiny yellow flowers attract parasitic wasps and hoverflies. Parasitic wasps lay eggs in pest eggs, controlling caterpillars and moths. Hoverfly larvae devour aphids, protecting young cucumber plants. Ladybirds and their larvae also feast on aphids and mites. Dill fosters a balanced ecosystem, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This is key to organic and sustainable gardening practices. As our exploration of the cucumber's companions draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for the intricate connections that weave through even the most humble garden. We have seen how marigolds stand as golden sentinels against unseen subterranean threats, how radishes diligently sculpt the earth to welcome questing roots, and how beans, with their remarkable chemistry, enrich the very soil that sustains life. And finally, the aromatic dill, summoning an entourage of tiny protectors to guard the developing fruits. Each companion plays its part in this verdant drama, contributing to a healthier, more resilient, and bountiful cucumber harvest. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! May your cucumbers be plentiful, your soil rich, and your garden forever a place of discovery and wonder. Until next time, may your gardening endeavors be fruitful and deeply satisfying.